Hi, welcome to the TKMG Academy course, Changeover Reduction. I'm Mark Manukas, your instructor. Now imagine you're driving and need to pull into a gas station to not only refuel, but also add air to your tires. How long would that take? 10 minutes? 20 minutes perhaps if you had to wait in line? Now imagine the same scenario at a race. How long does it take for a race car to complete a pit stop? Today, some of the best crews change tires and add fuel in as little as 12 seconds. This is called changeover time. And like any set of professionals focused on performance, these race car crews have been continuously improving pit stops over time. Several decades ago, pit stops took about 1 minute. Through process analysis, new technologies, better crew training and coaching, the time has steadily improved. These teams challenge constraints and design new ways of doing things continuously. You can do this as well. This is what changeover reduction is all about. Let's start by exploring this word, changeover. A changeover is simply changing the condition of a machine, physical space, or even our minds from one state to another. In manufacturing, this could mean changing the settings on a machine, so instead of producing product A, it can now produce product B. In pharmaceutical manufacturing or food production, changeovers often mean cleaning and disinfecting equipment to ensure that one batch of products aren't contaminated with ingredients from the previous batches. In a hospital or healthcare environment, changeovers occur anytime an exam room or surgical suite needs to be prepared for the next patient. The same goes for restaurants. The act of cleaning and setting up a table for new guests is a changeover. In knowledge work, I'll cover this type of work in Lesson 3, changeover involves the mental setup when switching from one project or type of work to another. And while changeovers are often necessary, it's important to recognize them as non-value adding time. Why non-value adding time? Because a changeover doesn't transform the good or service directly. And waiting customers may not care what kind of changeover you need to do, even if the changeover is necessary. For a deeper conversation on value and non-value adding time, otherwise known as waste, I recommend you explore the TKMG Academy course, Create Value and Eliminate Waste. At its core, changeover reduction is a structured problem-solving process. A gap exists between how long a changeover currently takes and how long an organization wants it to take. An improvement team studies the actions required to complete a changeover and then discovers creative ways to shorten the changeover while maintaining or even improving quality and safety. Now, a bit of history. The car manufacturer Toyota established changeover reduction as a disciplined improvement method decades ago. You see, Taiichi Ohno's just-in-time production system at Toyota required fast changeover times. So, starting in the mid-1940s, the company steadily reduced changeover times on critical stamping machines from hours to minutes. This improvement resulted in an important benefit. It dramatically improved the company's ability to produce in smaller batches. Smaller batches improve the flow of products. This meant they could deliver their cars more quickly and for lower cost. Shigeo Shingo, a consultant and engineer who worked with Toyota, described Toyota's structured approach to changeovers. He called it SMED, or Single Minute Exchange of Die. Single minute simply refers to a goal of doing changeovers in less than 10 minutes. And die are interchangeable parts of a machine that help cut or form materials into specific shapes. Think of the shape of metal in a car door, for instance. That specific shape was created by a die in a stamping machine. SMED was ultimately a critical element in enabling Toyota's success. Now, you may hear a lot of terms related to improving changeover times other than changeover reduction and SMED. Other common terms are quick changeover, rapid changeover, and setup reduction. The steps and approach are virtually the same no matter what you call it. In this course, you'll learn the benefits of changeover reduction to the organization, its customers, and its work teams, a 6-step process for accomplishing changeover reduction, some of the most common ways to reduce changeovers, and how to quantify the benefits. I'll see you in Lesson 2.